Hi friends, and welcome back to our YouTube channel of Alicante Real Estate. My name is Alex, and like always I am delighted to present this kind of videos and show you or their followers the best options on the real estate market that we have at our beautiful sunny Costa Blanca region. Today I will show you a 3-bedroom house, townhouse. It's fully renovated. We are now already in Los Balcones, that belongs to Torrevieja. It's nice, quiet residential area. I would recommend this kind of place to somebody that wants to live permanent or have children or wants to be in holidays, but not living in a city center with a lot of noise and a lot of stress. You are on the edge of Torrevieja, and with all the infrastructure here, you have schools, nice parks. Hospital of Torrevieja is close by, and we are only 3 kilometers away from the beach. So nice place to be. And on this case, I will show you a completely renovated townhouse that has 3 floors, roof terrace, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, nice kitchen, and important, we have 2 orientations. So we have this orientation here that goes to the west. So as you see now, we have sun in the afternoon and one more front terrace that I'm gonna show you later. So nice price because we have many surface. Also, this house has a pool, community pool, that belongs to this property. Very good extra. You will always have outside parking spot for your car on this front side or the back side that also has a street. And price, 229,000 for a house with fully renovation, water, electricity, new bedrooms, kitchen, white goods, everything is new, brand new and recently done. So now start with the review. We're access from the street here to this first terrace. Straight here we have this place, storage place, on which we can put the wash machine. All the connections are ready, and we have the water boiler here outside, so it doesn't take a space inside the property. That is very comfortable and good solution. Follow me. Look, keys are new, the door are new, everything is new on this case. And now we're joining inside the house, and straight on the left side we have one more storage with the Harry Potter lifts. The storage things here, comfortable done. Then the stairs, then upstairs we have 2 bedrooms, 1 more bathroom, and one in the last floor we have the last bedroom and the small roof terrace. So on the right side we have a fully renovated bedroom with nice white colors, with shower plate. Everything is new. Very good window, Klimalit. It's double glass, so everything is done by the last standards. Check out this nice big kitchen. Have everything, back oven, microwave, freezer, everything here on this case. Also the wash disher here. I like this house because it's very bright. We have windows in all the places, electric blinds by all the house, and we have AC machine here for warm and cold. So it's ready to live. Everything is done. And as I told you before, we have this other terrace, same size almost as by the entrance. We have almost 20 square meters. Terrace here and on the front side, and as I told you before, we have another access to the back street, so you can park your car outside here or in the front where I began doing this video. So see, we have one more balcony, we have windows all around, and the house is recently painted, so it's ready to move in. And now friends, follow me and we are going to the first floor. So by these stairs, we're gonna find one more window I very like this house because we have window in all the rooms, all the bedrooms, everything. As this bedroom, the second one, is very similar to the first one. Check it out, it has also window. And now we will see the first bedroom with inbuilt wardrobes, good size. And we have this door that drives us to the balcony. And now I'm looking to the second terrace here. So imagine wake up, living in a nice residential area and seeing all this. And now follow me straight here. We have the second bedroom. It's a little bit smaller. It's not big, but it can be a place for your children or the guests. Also nice window, it's very bright. We have inbuilt wardrobe here. Doors, everything is new. Tiles, walls, light, everything is new. And now friends, let's go to the second floor. And now we're going to see the last floor. We have one more bedroom here. The roof is not that high, so it should be for guests or children, but you have enough place to put a double bed here. Window, of course, and this small roof terrace. You can see here the residential area of Los Balcones, but I like more this area, this place here, because we can see from here or Salt Lake now already is pink, and it's very quiet and beautiful to be here. So this is all. Don't lose this chance. It's a very good house. You have 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, everything is new, everything is renovated. You must not to do nothing here. Just buy, take your keys and enjoy. So contact me if you have more, want to have more information about this property or any other property. I leave you my contact details here. Just call me or write me a message anytime. I will kindly respond all your questions. And yes, I wish you all the best. Share this video with your family, your friends and lovers, maybe somebody that are looking for a property here in our beautiful region. And yeah, subscribe this channel and see you next time in our YouTube channel of Alicante Real Estate. Adios.